Hello, my name is Mina. This is another lesson about present perfect tense. In previous parts, I showed you how to make positive and negative sentences. Now it's time to talk about yes-no questions. For making yes-no questions, you must follow this rule. Start with have or has, then subject and PP form. I know it's impossible to understand well without examples. Let's read some questions together. Has she turned off her phone? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Has he done his homework? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Has it ever snowed in your country? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. As you see, for she, he, and it, I start the question with has. After that, the subject, she, he, it, and then the PP form of verbs, turned, done, snowed. I use has and hasn't in answers. Yes, she has. Yes, he has. Yes, it has. No, she hasn't. No, he hasn't. No, it hasn't. Look at the final question. Has it ever snowed in your country? You can use the word ever if you want to ask about past experience. Let's look at more questions. Have you ever eaten sushi? I'm asking you this question, so answer yes, I have. No, I haven't. If I ask you and your friends the same question, you must say, yes, we have. No, we haven't. One more. Have they spoken to the teacher? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Have we learned present perfect tense? For example, we ask ourselves, answer like, yes, we have. No, we haven't. Otherwise, say, yes, you have. No, you haven't. If you look at these questions carefully, you'll see that for you, they, and we, I start the question with have, then subject and PP form of verbs, eaten, spoken, learned. And I use have and haven't in short answers. Yes, I have. Yes, we have. Yes, they have. Yes, you have. No, I haven't. No, we haven't. No, they haven't. No, you haven't. I used the word ever in one question. Have you ever eaten sushi? I'm asking this question about your life experience. Other questions are about recent past. It's easier to understand present perfect tense if you remember the different situations in which it can be used. We can use present perfect tense to ask about a recent past action without saying when. For example, have you cleaned your apartment? Or ask about life experience. Have you ever cleaned your apartment? The word ever is giving you the signal that the question is about life experience. Now that we have completed 3 parts of present perfect lessons, I think it's a good idea to practice. So get your pen and piece of paper. Write a positive and negative sentence, also a question with the words I give you. You can pause the video, write, and then check with me. Number 1. Sing a song. They. Positive sentence. They have sung a song. The word song, spelled as S-U-N-G, is the PP form of verb sing. Negative sentence. They haven't sung a song. Question. Have they sung a song? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Number 2. Find a job. He. Positive sentence. He has found a job. Found is the PP form of verb find. Negative sentence. He hasn't found a job. Question. Has he found a job? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Number 3. Win a trophy. You. Positive sentence. You've won a trophy. Won is the PP form of verb win. Negative sentence. You haven't won a trophy. Question. Have you ever won a trophy? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. I used the word ever in this question because I wanted to ask about your life experience. Well done! You've put so much effort to learn present perfect tense. Please continue practicing in the same way. Send me some of your sentences and questions in comments. I'd like to read them. Present perfect lessons will continue in the next videos, so subscribe if you don't want to miss any of them. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!